Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to get your TikTok wrapped. You'll need to open your TikTok app and then you want to make sure that you're on the profile. This can be found at the bottom right corner of your TikTok app. And then at the top right corner you're going to tap on the hamburger menu. This is the three dashes there, and then tap on settings and privacy. Then select account. Next you're going to see download your data. Tap on it. And on this page you have two tabs, a request data tab and the download data tab. Currently, we don't have any requests, so we're going to go back to request data, and then you're going to select request data at the bottom. But before you do that, you want to come over to select file format. We're going to switch from text to JSON. This is because the website we will be using to convert our TikTok data will be using JSON file format. We're going to request the data, and then right here, you need to wait for your file to be ready. It says it will be ready in about 4 days, so you need to check this after a few days. When you get the file, you're going to go over to your Safari browser, and then on your browser, you're going to search for wrapped.fanteason.io. So we're going to have this in the description below, but we're going to type it right now. And then on this website, you can tap on Start Now. And then at this time, you're expected to have your TikTok data. Remember, we selected JSON. So when you have your data from TikTok, you can tap on I have my TikTok file. Tap on it, and then you're going to tap on Select File. This will open your file folder where you have to locate the file which was sent from TikTok. When you select the file and add it to this website, it will make a conversion of the JSON file which you get from TikTok into your wrapped TikTok. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to get your TikTok wrapped.